Alright, right now we are in Corniche. Para siyang Rojas Boulevard ng Abu Dhabi. And here you can view Grand Palace. Ganda. I know the video doesn't bring justice kung gaano kaganda tong building na to. But if you see, yan, art yan yung entrance niya. And you have to walk or drive to the main hotel. Sana minsan makapunta tayo dyan. Sestig. Meron daw dyang ATM machine na nagdi-dispense. Hindi cash, kundi gold. Minsan to try natin. Tapos, alongside, quick view, is Marina Island. Man-made island siya. May Marina Mall dyan. Since kulang yung lupa, tinambakan nila yan ng sand, and hanggang ngayon dinidevelop pa yan. So yan, this is Corniche area. Ito yung beach side, big buildings. Medyo mahal lang upa dito kasi nga yung view is beach. Ito yung parang mini park, and it's 12 midnight. Chillax lang. Alam ko madilim pero yan ang beach. So that's Corniche.